Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn a normal photo into a cute folding greeting card for Thanksgiving Day using Dreamface. It's super easy and the results are really adorable. So let's get started. First, just open your Dreamface. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store. And then when installed, just open the app and then log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will offer free plans with weekly credits, so you can try this out without spending anything. Okay, next just you will be taken on the home page like this, and then next just tap on AI filter, this one. Just tap on it and then just go to Thanksgiving Day sections, this one. It's a full cute holiday theme options over here, and then in this section just choose a folding greeting card, this one. Just tap on it. This filter is designed to turn your photo into a mini card complete with decorations and a folded effect like this. I think it's so cute. And then next just choose your photo, just pick the image that you want to transform. It can be a selfie or maybe a family photo or even a pet. Just use your photo that you want like this, and once you have selected the photo, just tap on animate. Okay, like this. In just a few moments, your folding greeting card will appear like this. Just look at this, this is so cute. Just look at the cute decorations and the folding card effect. It's like your photo is part of a real Thanksgiving card. And then next, if you love it, you can download it by tap on download button. And okay, that's it, turning a normal photo into a cute Thanksgiving folding card. It's that simple. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.